is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
Hello, my people. They welcome now again. Come this program what they call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to una from Procyon radio and television. My name is Sarah Abo. I deal with Gloria Enoch.
People, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening.
All right, we hope say una full ground kakaraka. Make una dey follow us. If not, they watch us for the very first time. Make una no forget make una subscribe, like, share our video. God go bless una. Abeg, make una drop comments so that the people wey we dey talk about dem go understand the solution to the problem wey dem get. This particular tori wey we dey carry come today na the tori of somebody wey be say dem arrest am im family no know for 18 months. This man, as im go visit im friend Gloria,
Yes.
he leave im family for inside town come go one village go meet visit im friend wey dey sell charcoal. As e dey there na im e come see say police come im friend house. Im friend na charcoal dealer, im dey do business with charcoal. So as e dey do the business with the charcoal, e come get problem with somebody wey be say the person come talk say that dealer divert some charcoal wey no belong to am come carry am come im own house. As dem come with police to come arrest the man because of the offence wey happen, na im dem meet am with the friend for the house. The friend leave im family o come visit am. Na im dem meet am for the house. Na im police carry the two of them go police station. Where even the friend dey explain to them say make una no vex, this my friend him no dey among, na visitor he be, make una leave am. They dey beg, they come dey feel say the man just wan take responsibility so that him go free him friend. They no gree. Na so before you know it, according to the tori, that other man wey accuse this particular man, e be like say e get small problem as dealers wey dem bin get for ground. So he wan implicate the man, and e come be like say the man come give police money well. So police come carry this man come put am inside cell. The man no fit comot for that cell. Im family make him communicate with them, they no gree. They no gree allow the man access to anybody wey he know. Na so the man take dey for prison for 18 good months, until one day when all these social organizations, all these NGOs wey dey come visit, na im dey come discover say him come tell them wetin happen to am. Now they discover say you mean say you dey here, they no even try you, they no even do anything, no case, nothing. He say nothing o, say na so dem put am. Your own family no access, they no know. And you know say the family now, as the thing happen, they go dey think say maybe the man get accident, maybe he die, maybe something happen. Na so they come leave this man like that. Gloria, you see the kind condition wey the man come dey. Na those people now come help am, come dey find out how him go take comot for the place. Na there the tori dey. Na there e end. We never know whether they don fit come carry am comot am, but the people don take responsibility say they wan comot the man. Yes, make dem fight for the man rights. You see how police come put innocent person inside prison wey be say him no even know how he go take reach him family. Gloria, wetin you get to talk?
My people, na good morning o. We don come with another tori this morning again. Una don hear as dem talk am now. That is why we dey beg our people, our police people, say una dey do good work o. Una know say friend, police na our friend una be. Anything wey dey worry us na una we dey run to. So this man case now, he go visit him friend. That is why we say before dem go do anything, make una put una touch light well. Una look am well. Una ask question too, because e no be say I go my friend house to visit am. problem come start for there, dem come join me inside, carry me go. Dem no give me chance ma make I even talk say I no know anything o, I be visitor for the house. And my friend kukuma dey tell dem say me I no dey o, na visit I come. Dem no wan hear, dem no wan even lis ten to am. Dem let the man now dey for 18 months. E no sweet to hear. The man go say police na our friend now, and police suppose to lis ten to us. We go tell una wetin happen. You take my own story, you take the other story, you go join am together. You no go side for one. Even though this man wey bring this matter, wey come arrest these people, im dey right o, but una no go know when una never ask these people wetin be the thing wey happen. Na both side now. You collect from this one, you collect from this one, then una go know the truth. Now this very man dey talk say im friend na visitor, e no from here, e leave im family come see me. Una no lis ten to am, and e come spend 18 months. Im family think say maybe e don die. People wey live in area ma dey go think say maybe e die o on the way going to im friend house, but they no know say e dey alive. So now wey the matter don reach like this, these people wey come like this now, na dem be the saviour wey go help this man now, and dem dey the process of helping this man. So that is why we talk say abeg, this matter na for still dey una hand o, make una put eye well well, make una look am well well, make una try make dem for release this man. So far im hand dey clean. Im friend that man wey bring police come arrest dem, if no be say im get wicked mind, e know say this man no know this very man, because im no dey see this man for there. He suppose to talk say okay police, as I don reach here, leave this one make e go, I no know am. But him because he want make the friend with am suffer, he carry this man join body, lock two of them together. It's not good.
So Gloria, the thing wey I come look for the tori be say, you as a man, anywhere where you dey go, e good make you let your family know.
No, before you comot for house.
Before you comot for house.
No just go enter road like that.
Because he say na another village, he live in hometown. Yes, you can't go meeting. He no let him wife know. Even if he tell him wife say I wan go see my friend, the wife no know the town.
You no know the friend.
You no understand.
Maybe you no
know that friend. The friend. If the wife, your family, know say see the particular place where you go, how they no go find you go there?
They for find am.
When the man dey tell the tori, when I dey look am, I say this man, e mean say him wife no even know the name of the town where he enter. If she know, that's why many men, una go dey comot leave una wife, una no go tell her wetin be the problem. You and the woman are the same.
No be one. Go let your wife
if know. You no get secret for your agenda, how you go dey hide where you wan go for your wife? You no know anything can happen. You know
now say e don happen.
E don happen. Anything can happen. See wetin happen to this man now. Shebi him feel say him go fit go come back as usual, as him dey do before.
But this one now, he don hook for road.
He don hook for road. He dey beg now, say abeg make dem try. He wan make information reach him wife.
Family.
When those NGO people come, he dey beg say he wan make this thing reach him family. Abeg. Na the beg wey him dey beg, na the thing wey him dey talk be that. Now you wan come dey talk that thing. The time wey you wan comot go meet your friend, you know
your wife. Na wife be number one person go tell. See where I dey go, my children. See where I dey go. If you don go, they go say bye bye. And the day first day they no see you. Second, even though the second day they see say you no come back, they for find you go. They say my husband say na your place you come.
Yes.
Wetin happen? I no see am o. Or if they reach that place, they go discover say something happen. The matter for don that 18 months we spend there for no day like that.
For no day like that, because your family go even struggle.
Yes.
To make sure them bring
you out.
But as you the hand wey you take choose do your own work, na that hand now you choose dey take punish yourself. You understand? You know e no good. You know the way these things the way things be for world now, Gloria. I dey tell you, I wan advise men when be say even if you wan leave your house, go your office, make your wife even know the road wey you pass. Nothing bad. The way where our world be now, you fit dey for road now dey comot from here to here, before you know it, shebi dem full inside town. Person go enter inside even okada machine. You go see say the machine don carry am go somewhere.
So now
you go let your wife know the route. If she follow that route, at least even if police wan check wetin and wetin dey happen, dem go fit. Yes, where you go, the woman sef shame no go catch her now.
Yes,
but where woman no go get mouth to talk, tell people say I no even know where my na shame be that.
That means you with your husband, I know they agree.
Yes, una no dey agree.
The house
So
dey
you don
in
expose
peace.
yourself
The house man know dey in peace. Because if house dey in
in
peace,
peace.
you go know where your husband go. He must tell you before you come out.
Yes. So you this one come dey announce you.
Yes.
They come dey tell people
The
maybe
kind
you dey
life wey una dey
pretend.
live for una house.
Maybe you dey pretend before say me
It
I
is
dey
well.
live well.
You don't
It
know
is well.
say he
Na
don
people
crack,
don't
house
know
don
say
crack.
thank you. So you see with all that now, so it's better make you also cover yourself by yourself. Gloria, with this now, I believe say our time don pass. We forget plenty things to talk for
Make I
here.
just advise our men small.
Okay.
Abeg, make I advise una small. Because you know say here we dey always advise una.
Na so.
Abeg, if you dey comot, tell your wife where you dey go. Because some people, I don ever dey inside motor, we dey go kasuwa, person answer call. E dey motor wey we dey go kasuwa o. But he tell him wife say, now wey him dey talk so, him dey Kawo. He mention the place for Kawo. So if you dey do like that, abeg, no small lie, no white lie, no black lie. Tell the truth. Tell your wife where you dey go. My dear, na Kawo I dey go. I dey go NDA. Make it be that NDA. Read the NDA first. So that if something happen, your wife go find you on NDA.
People go talk say I see am here.
I see am for NDA.
Comot from here.
They don hold one place where they know say you talk am for house. Tell God beg una do am like that. E go better for all of us.
All right, Gloria, thank you for this wonderful advice wey you give us for area Tori today. I wan say thank you for coming.
Thank you very much.
And Gloria be that, so when I hear all this better advice from her, and then we wan talk say abeg make una dey there, make una dey follow the right way, make una no dey do things anyhow, because una no know wetin go happen the next minute. My name na Sarah Abo. Make una no forget subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments for our video. God go bless una. Thank you very much. Make una dey shine like a star wey una be.
Baby, my salary, I